How to use AppFolio Investment Manager in 2025. Hello everyone. In today's video, we'll show you how to use AppFolio Investment Manager in 2025 to streamline your real estate investment management. Whether you're a property manager or an investor, this tool makes everything easier. Let's get started. Step 1. Sign up or log in. Visit the AppFolio Investment Manager website or open the app. Sign up with your email if you're new, or log in if you already have an account. Step 2. Set up your account. Once logged in, complete your profile and link your properties or investments to the account. Add any funds or properties you're managing and specify the types of investments you're handling, e.g., residential, commercial, etc. Step 3. Navigate the dashboard. The dashboard gives you an overview of your investments, current cash flow, and property details. Here, you can monitor the performance of your real estate portfolio, review any ongoing transactions, and manage your investors' contributions. Step 4. Manage investment opportunities. In the Investment Opportunities tab, you can view active investment projects, their current status, and investor contributions. You can create new opportunities by adding a property or investment project and sharing it with your investors. Step 5. Track investor communications. AppFolio allows you to communicate with investors directly through the platform. You can send updates, respond to questions, and share performance reports. Use the messaging feature to keep everyone on the same page. Step 6. Monitor documents and reports. Under the Documents section, upload important reports, financial statements, and contract tracks. Investors can access these documents anytime for transparency and peace of mind. Step 7. Automate distribution and payments. AppFolio lets you set up automated payment schedules for your investors. Whether it's monthly dividends or quarterly payouts, you can streamline the process. The platform also supports tax reporting, making year-end processes much smoother. And that's it. You've learned how to use AppFolio Investment Manager in 2025 to manage and grow your real estate investments. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below.